Then what also is interesting, when we have a closer look at the inner membrane, so the inner membrane of the envelope, inner membrane, this inner membrane contains proteins, and the proteins are called lamins. Lamins, L-A-M-I-N-S, lamins. These lamins, or you can call them nuclear lamins, they are type of intermediate filaments. We'll have also a look at these filaments when we are looking at the cytoskeleton. The intermediate filaments, they are basically for structural support. They make sure that the nucleus is strongly adhered into the components of the cells. So the lamins are inside the nuclear envelope, the inner membrane, they are lamins. But again, people having a mutation of the lamins, if you have a mutation of the lamins mutation, people will develop a condition known as progeria. So progeria will be the condition as a result of mutation of the lamins. That is why they are very important within our cell. Then the outer membrane of this envelope is made up of proteins also called nesprine. So these are the ones for the outer membrane of the cell. Then what is also important, very important, this space, the space between the outer and the inner is what we can refer to as the perinuclear space. Perinuclear space is between the outer and the inner membrane, that perinuclear space. Between the envelope, basically. You can call it the envelope, between that envelope. So that is it. Messenger RNA, but again we can summarize by giving the functions of the nucleus. But we've been mentioning some along the way there, but we can give the functions, the basic functions, because a question can be asked. Functions of the nucleus. What do you think is the number one function? Of course, we've seen transcription, where we are having